In this video, I'll show you how to fix a new SSD not showing up on your computer. If you're new to the channel, go down below, hit subscribe, leave a like, and let's jump straight into the guide. So if you just installed a brand new SSD and opened File Explorer expecting to see it under this PC, but it's not there, don't worry, this is completely normal. You just need to initialize and set up the drive. Step 1. Open Disk Management. Go to your search bar and type Partition. Then click on Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. This will open Disk Management. Step 2. Initialize the SSD. When you open it, you should see a pop-up called Initialize Disk. Select your new SSD, usually only one if you just installed it. Then choose GPT GUID Partition Table. Avoid MBR unless you specifically need it. Click OK. Step 3. Locate unallocated space. Now find your new SSD in the list. It will show as unallocated. This means the drive is detected, but not yet usable. Step 4. Create a new volume. Right-click the unallocated space. Click New Simple Volume. This will open the Setup wizard. Step 5. Configure the drive. Click Next. Set the size. I recommend using the maximum size. Click Next again. Now choose a drive letter, like D, E, F, etc. Click Next. Step 6. Format the drive. For file system, select NTFS. Keep allocation size as default. You can name the drive anything you want. Click Next, then click Finish. Final step. Once done, your SSD should now appear in File Explorer under this PC. If it doesn't show up, simply restart your computer and it will appear. And that's it. Your SSD is now ready to use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.